How to buy shares of Four Corners Property Trust is a common search. So in this short guide, we'll show the basic steps to find FCPT, a publicly traded property trust listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FCPT. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FCPT to find the right listing. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ entry for Four Corners Property Trust. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart so you can confirm this is the correct stock. Check the company name, ticker, and exchange to avoid selecting the wrong instrument. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details before submission. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.